effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. The wind advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: Mohawk Valley, Greater Capital District, Schoharie Valley, Eastern Catskills, Mid-Hudson Valley, Taconics, Southern Green Mountains, Berkshires, and Litchfield Hills. Winds: west to northwest winds increasing to 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing: this evening through early Thursday evening. Impacts: down trees and tree limbs resulting in at least scattered power outages. In addition, unsecured objects will likely be blown around and driving will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.
Across, down, diagonal, no diagonal.